In this quick video, I'm going to show you how I cut the panels for my Slovenian Beehive project. I will utilize the edges of the plywood sheet to minimize the number of cuts I have to make. Normally I would use a table saw for this project, but right now my table saw is covered with several sheets of plywood. For that reason, I'll be using my track saw to make these cuts. A track saw consists of a metal track that your saw rides on. The track is placed against your cut line and you simply make your cut. The stock does have to be elevated off of anything else you're cutting. In my case, it's on some 2x4s. Do the same thing for the cross cuts. And again. And the process continues until all the panels are cut. Oops. And that's it. There's the panels. The next step is to machine the slots, holes, and grooves into these panels. Be sure to visit the Kronos Robotics website for more information on my Slovenian Beehive project. So, until next time.